This is not science fiction. In nature, there are organisms capable of controlling others. Not through strength, not through violence, but through chemistry. In tropical forests, a microscopic fungus has evolved a terrifying ability. It can infect ants and slowly take control of their bodies. The infection begins when fungal spores attach to an ant. At first, nothing seems unusual. The ant continues its normal life. But inside, the fungus is growing. It spreads through the ant's tissues, wrapping around its muscles. Chemical signals are released. The ant is alive, still aware. But it no longer has full control of its body. Days later, the ant leaves its colony. This is not a mistake. The fungus is guiding it. The ant begins to climb, higher than it ever would naturally. Its jaws clamp onto a leaf and never let go. Now, the fungus enters its final stage. It consumes the ant from the inside, slowly, completely. Days later, stalk grows from the ant's head, releasing thousands of spores into the air.
But death is not the end. Inside the body, the fungus consumes everything. Muscle,
organs, tissue,
the ant becomes nothing more.
Than a structure for growth.
A stalk emerges. From the ant's head.
The cycle begins again. New victims are infected. This fungus is called Cordyceps. It does not directly control the brain. Instead, it controls the muscles. The mind remains, but the body obeys something else. For scientists, this is a perfect example of evolution. A simple organism, yet capable of precise biological control. Below, the ant colony never knows what happened. They simply lose one worker. Above them, the fungus continues its silent work. Nature does not need horror stories. It creates its own.